which I discussed in this lecture is of the triangles class 9th. Exercise 7.2 I am going to discuss. I have taken this question from the NCERT book. 7.2 exercise number and question number 7. Now just to observe the question. ABC is a right triangle in which angle A is equal to 90 degree. We have a triangle in which angle A is 90 degree and we can make it as ABC. And AB is equal to AC. That means this line is equal to this line. It is given. Find angle B and angle C. We have to find these two angles. So when we have to solve this, we write the datas which are given in the question in the form of given. That means angle A is equal to 90 degree. AB is equal to AC. These two datas are given to us. Now to find angle B and angle C. Now solution. AB is equal to AC. So angle B is equal to angle C. What is the reason? Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. What does it mean? अगर दो एंगल्स इक्वल होते हैं तो उनकी साइड भी इक्वल होती है. दिस इज द रीजन. और हमें दिया हुआ है कि ए बी ए सी के बराबर है, यानी ये साइड इसके बराबर है, तो इससे जुड़ा हुआ एंगल बी और एंगल सी इक्वल होगा. लेट इट बी एक्स. नाउ वी नो in a triangle sum of all angles is equal to 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So in place of angle A we have 90 degree. Angle B, let it be x. Angle C, let it be x, is equal to 180 degree. That is 2x is equal to 180 minus 90. We get 90. That means value of x is 45 degree. So the value of angle B and angle C is 45 degree. Now question is solved. Now from the question we get a figure like this in which AB is equal to AC and AC is equal to AD. That means we have AB is equal to AC, it is given. AB is equal to AD, this is given. Now in triangle ABC, ABC इज इक्वल टू ए सी. अगर अब ये नीचे वाला ट्राइंगल लेते हैं तो ये साइड आपकी इस साइड के बराबर है. दैट मीन्स दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल. लेट इट बी थीटा. दैट मीन्स एंगल ए बी सी इज इक्वल टू एंगल बी सी ए. ओके. नाउ सम ऑफ द ट्राइंगल, सम ऑफ ऑल एंगल्स इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. दैट इज लेट इट बी angle 1. Okay, angle A, angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Now we can substitute it. Angle 1 plus theta is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now in triangle ACD, when AB is equal to AC and AB is equal to AD, सेम. सो वी कैन राइट ए सी इज इक्वल टू ए डी. ये लाइन इसके बराबर, ये लाइन इसके बराबर, तो ये लाइन इन दोनों की आपस में बराबर. व्हेन ए सी इज इक्वल टू ए डी, अगर अब यहाँ देखो ए सी और ए डी बराबर हो गया तो जो एंगल ये होगा वही एंगल ये हो जाएगा. और दूसरी चीज़, ये लाइन इसके भी बराबर थी तो ये भी थीटा हो गया और ये भी थीटा हो गया. दैट मीन्स एंगल ए सी डी is equal to angle ADC. Let it be angle 2. In triangle ACD, angle 2, angle A plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. That means 2 plus theta is equal to 180 degree. That is angle 2 plus 2 theta is equal to 180 degree. Now we have to prove BCD is 90 degree. That means we have to prove sum of two theta is 90 degree. Now from here angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 2 theta. Okay. Now when we substitute, we also know BD is a straight line. BD is a straight line. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is also equal to 180 degree. So we can substitute angle 1 is equal to 180 minus angle 2. Here 180 minus angle 2 plus 2 theta is equal to 180 degree. यहाँ substitute कर दो. That means 180 182 get cancel. Angle 2 is equal to 2 theta. Now we substitute the angle of angle 2 is equal to 2 theta in this equation. That means 2 theta is equal to 180 minus 2 theta. Here it comes. That means 4 theta is equal to 180 degree. That means value of angle theta is, when we divide it by 4, 45 degree. Now consider a triangle ABC. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. That is 1 plus theta plus theta. Sorry, don't take this. Consider triangle BCD, the whole triangle. This is the sum of angle B, sum of angle C, sum of angle D is equal to 180 degree. In place of angle B we write theta. In place of angle D we write theta. And angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now theta, value of theta is 45 degree. So 45 plus 45 plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle C is equal to 180 minus 90. That means angle C is 90 degree. So angle BCD is a right angle. Proved.